Hey, how's it going? Welcome to Flutter tutorial. My name is Nikit. Today I'm going to talk about Flutter. Flutter is a new mobile app SDK developed by Google. Using Flutter, we can create cross-platform applications like Android and iOS. Flutter uses a Dart programming language. No worries if you have never programmed in Dart before. Dart is pretty straightforward language. It looks like C Sharp, Java. Even if you have experience with JavaScript, you feel right at home. A cool thing about Flutter is that you can compile for Android and iOS at one code base. I mean, you write a single code and which compiles it into a native Android and native iOS, which is amazing. Since Flutter converts uh, into a native code, so you don't need third-party libraries to interact with the native APIs. So Flutter directly communicate with the native APIs, so which makes Flutter faster and smoother. Flutter looks a lot like a React Native since it uses some sort of components, but Flutter calls them widgets. Widgets are your part of UI. You can see that on the right hand side, the Flutter app. So this Flutter app is generated by Flutter. So for example, this main Flutter app has a widget called My App, and which has widgets for my home page, and this my home page contains the app bar. You can see it here. It has an app bar and floating action buttons. So Flutter combines a small widgets in a single widget, and it makes an app. So it helps user to simplify a complex UI into a simple UI by dividing the complex UI into a small widgets and combining it in a single widget. Uh, Flutter comes with the hard reload, which helps a developer to quickly and easily experiment, build UIs, and add features and add fix bug faster. Flutter also has a sub-second reload, which reloads the UI without losing its state, which is easy. For example, here on the Flutter app, it has my homepage has a state for counter. So whenever I tap on this button, so counter increments. Suppose say I want to change the color of the app without changing the state, so I can just come here and do it as red and save it. And if you go to the terminal, if you press small r, and it reloads the app, and you can notice that it changes the UI part, but it did not change the state. uh, that is cool. Flutter also comes with beautiful packages like material design and cappuccino. In material design has predefined widgets like app bar, floating action buttons, so where you can uh, develop UIs in a faster way. And overall Flutter makes it easy and fast to build beautiful mobile apps. Flutter is still in development mode. You don't have to worry much about it. Flutter is a cool mobile app SDK. You must try it out. And that's the basic information about Flutter. And do check out Flutter documentation on the website. They have given in a pretty nice way, where you can see it here. Fast development, it has hard reload. You can see the examples here, and you can develop beautiful UIs. You can use material design, and yeah, and that's it for today. I will talk to you in the next one. If you like this video, uh, please do comment and subscribe for more videos.